Unfortunately, more and more plastic ends up in the organic waste bin. To remove the plastics, we need
magic.
Yes, but this speed is just a little slow. For such large quantities, we need the sophisticated recycling technology of Eggersmann. Because with the fines treatment plant by Eggersmann, recycling is just like magic when it's done. First, we separate ferrous metals from the compost with a magnetic separator. The first star screen separates coarse material from the compost. At the same time, large foils are extracted by suction. The second star screen separates the material again, so only the fines remain. Again, plastic components get suctioned out. This is where the real Eggersmann magic takes place. The multi-stage separator ensures that the majority of the remaining plastic, glass and stones is removed from the material. And at the end, we have high-quality compost. Eggersmann, no magic, simply good recycling technology.